Let us talk about some common mistakes people make when installing the bag. Alright. We start with the first type. This is a straight cylindrical bag. And at first glance, it looks like it is installed correctly. But if you take a closer look, you'll notice that the clamp isn't fully seated on the tube's heat, which can cause dust to leak from that spot. Now, let us check out the second type. This bag seems to be in place too. But if you look a bit closer, you'll see that it can actually rotate inside the flower board. That tells us that the bag and tube's heat dimensions don't match up, leading to poor sealing and dust leaking out. Next up is the third type. And this one is pretty obvious. The bag is fitted too tightly against the tube's heat, which means the spring clip can't sit properly. This creates a gap. And during regular operation, dust can escape through it. In worse cases, the spring clip might break. Plus, if we are not careful during installation, this protruding part can catch on our cage. And in serious situations, it could drop into the hopper, causing the bag to fall. Now, let us go over the correct way to install it. First, we need to clean the tube's heat and smooth out the holes. Then, we insert the bag, making sure the sewing line is facing away from the air inlet. While installing, if you hear a pop sound, that means the spring clip has fully released. If you try to rotate the bag, and it doesn't move, that means it is snug against the tube's heat. Finally, we just insert the cage. And that wraps up the bag installation.